Happy morning, children. Welcome to the third standard mathematics ICSE class. Today we are going to start a new unit, Unit 5 Division. So this is our new unit. Before we are going to this division unit, you should thorough with the tables. So this lesson we are going to see about equal sharing, equal grouping, division as a repeated subtraction, division and the multiplication. So the relation between them, the properties of a division, long division. After that we can check our answers. Finally we have a word problems. So first thing we are going to see the equal sharing and the equal grouping for the first two exercises. So before that, what is mean by division? Let me explain now. So division means sharing equal or making equal groups. So sharing the things into the equal group, that is division. So using this, the symbol is given as a dash, below and above one dot will be given. So then we have the number 36 divided by 4 equal to 9. When we are dividing 36 with 9, we'll get 4. When we divide 4, we'll get 9. From this equation, we can say which is the biggest number here, that is 36 is the dividend, 4 is the divisor, and the answer what we get is the quotient. In your book, page number 71, we have a division warm-up section. So in this warm-up section, Titu brought 3 caps for his 3 friends from a cap seller. So he want to gift each friend as an equal number of a cap. So how many caps will each friend get? So 3 cap is there, 3 monkeys are there. So each one get 1 cap. That B section, take 3 ladybirds to 4 leaves so that they are an equal number of ladybirds on each leaf. So we have to draw the line. So 4 leaves are there, 8 ladybirds are there. We can keep 2 ladybirds on a single leaf. So there are 2 ladybirds on each leaf. C Roman letter, there are 15 carrots. Jumbo wants to divide them equally among Bunny, Funny and Sunny. How many carrots will each rabbit get? That's a question. So see the count the carrot, there are 15 carrots. So you can arrange it in a 5 in one row. 5, 5, 5. So first Bunny get 5 and Funny get 5 and Sunny get 5. So we can give equal number of carrots, 5, 5 to each of them. So next, what is meant by division is nothing but as I said before, division means equal sharing or making equal groups. So equal groups, for example, Sheena has a 15 apples. She want to divide equal among 5 friends. So first thing, ask the 5 friends to stand in a line and you can give 1 apple to each one. Then remaining again 2 apples to each one. Then remaining something is there, you can give 3 apples to each one. So finally no more apple is with you. So 15 apples are divided to 5 friends. You can get 3 apples per children. This is called equal sharing. For next one is exercise 5.1. Here some of the balloons are there. Share these balloons equally. First 2 children are coming. So there are 12 balloons are there. You can divide 12 into 2 people. So 6 balloon for each one. 12 divided by 2. So 6 balloons, each one is getting 6 balloon. So next one is 4 children are coming, means you can divide into 4 children, 3 to them. So 12 divided by 4, 3. Each children get 3 balloons. Next, 6 children are coming means you can divide the 12 divided by 6. So each children can get 2 balloons each. Coming to the B question, color. Green balls can be put into Izit bag and red balls can be put into Zahir's bag and blue balls can be put it into Harbhajan's bag. So 3 friends are there, so we need to divide them equally. So first thing you color green first, red second, blue, then green, red, blue, then green, red, blue. So totally 3 balls in each color, 3 of them is going to get. Coming to the next question, C1. Some stars are there. First you count the stars. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 stars are there. So equally we need to divide means it can be distributed into 2 groups. 8 clouds and 1 more cloud you can color with the 1 more 8. Next in page number 74 we have fill in the blanks. So there are 16 stars. We made it into 2 clouds. So each cloud has 8 stars. 16 divided by 2 is 8. Next a D column. Look at the picture and fill in the blanks. We have a 6 plate are there. Each plate we have 4 bananas. So total number of bananas 24. So each plate has 4 bananas. The number of plate is 6. That's it. We completed the exercise 5.1. In this 5.1 exercise, we see about equal sharing. Next one is next exercise 5.2 in page number 75. So first exercise we made into equal groups. So first exercise we made into equal sharing. This exercise we are going to see about equal grouping. So here first one is some balls are there, you can count it out, it is 24 balls. So each children can get 6 balls. So 24 divided by 6 we can make 4. So 4 children will get 6 balls each. Second question, each children get 4 balls. So 24 divided by 4 equal to 6. So 6 children will get 4 balls each. Next, each children will get 3 balls. 24 divided by 3 equal to 8. So 8 children will get 3 balls each. So if you made into groups, we'll make 24 into 4 groups means 6 children. 6 group means 4 children. 3 groups means 8 children can get the balls. So this is a basic of equal grouping. So next one is division, tabular column in 5.3. See the tabular column in page number 76. We are going to complete the tabular column first. A tabular column, 34 divided by 2 equal to 17. When we are dividing 34, we will get the answer 17. Here, first thing is you should know what is dividend, divisor and the quotient. Here we have a 34 is the dividend, 2 is the divisor, quotient is 17. Next 45 divided by 15 equal to 3. 45 dividend, 15 divisor, quotient is 3. 36 divided by 9. So equal to 4. 36 dividend, 9 divisor, 4 quotient. Similarly, you can complete the tabular column. One more tabular column is there. Dividend, divisor, quotient they given. We are going to make a question. So 32 divisor is 8 and quotient is 4. So 32 divided by 8 equal to 4. 32 dividend divisor is 4, quotient is 8. So 32 divided by 4 equal to 8. 66 dividend, 3 divisor, quotient is 22. So the question is 66 divided by 3 equal to 22. So the first Roman letter they given the question, we frame the dividend divisor and quotient. Now the B question they given dividend divisor and quotient. We are going to frame the questions. Complete the table. Next thing is C, Roman letter C. They given a rainbow with the numbers. Okay children, see the rainbow. First one is red in color 6, orange 8, yellow 7, green 3, blue 5, and black 4, and purple color 9. So these answer which bucket is going to refer. First one is 21 divided by 7. They given in a green color. So 27 divided by 7 is 3. 7 table you can say 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. So 3 is the answer, 3 in the green in color, so match with the green bucket. So similarly we are going to match with this other color. First color is 6, red in color. Okay, so 6 is the answer. Otherwise you can choose the bucket and find the answer related with this color, you can color it. First bucket is 48 divided by 8. Say the 8 table, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 8 fours are 8 fives are. Similarly you can choose it. Okay children, now 8 6 are 48. So first bucket is red in color, you can color with the red. Next one is 32 divided by 4. Say the 4 table up to 32, which is equal to 8, the orange color bucket you can color it. Next 27 divided by 3. Say the 3 table up to 27, which is equal to 9, that is the purple color. Next bucket is 42 divided by 6. Say the 6 table up to 42, which is equal to 7. You can color with the yellow color. Next 20 divided by 5. Say the 5 table up to 20, it is 4, which is in the black in color. Next 5 divided by 9. You can say the 9 table up to 45. The answer is 5. So 9 5s are 45. So you can color with the blue color. So you can complete the tabular column now with the colors. That's it children, we completed the 5.3 exercise. Next class we will see the division sums. So go through the sums first. Before you are entering the class, you should read the tables. Thank you children.